Hi children, welcome back to our next class. Question number 1 already we have done. Question number 2, 3, 4, 5 all are just same models. So you can manage by yourself. Now let us go to question number 6. Question number 6 tells the sale of electric bulbs on different days of a week is given shown below. So the sale of the electric bulbs. Sale of the electric bulbs, then Monday. Monday, how many bulbs are sold? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tuesday, like what's given, right? Now, what are they asking is, so it's the data is given. Now, below that, there are some questions. Next page, you turn over, next page. Observe the pictograph and answer the following questions. So, before that, before going to these, answer these questions, let us see. One bulbs means one figure equal to how many bulbs? 2 bulbs. Here one figure is it, the one figure is equal to how many bulbs? 2 bulbs. So in Monday, how many bulbs are sold? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 into how many bulbs? 2 bulbs. So 6 into 2, how many? 12. 6 into 2, how much? 12 bulbs. So in Monday, how many bulbs are sold? 12 bulbs were sold. Next, on Tuesday, how many? How many figures? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 into 2. 8 to how many? How many? 16. 16 bulbs were sold. Next, which one? Wednesday. 1, 2, 3, 4 into 2. 4 to 8. Okay. Next, Tuesday. Thursday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 into 2. How many? 10 bulbs. Friday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 into 2. 7 to 14. Next, Saturday. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 into 2. How much? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 into 2. How much? 9 to 18 bulbs were sold. So, okay. Now we can answer the questions. First questions. Look at the question, all of you. How many bulbs were sold on Friday? On Friday, how many bulbs were sold? Where is Friday? Friday. How many bulbs were sold? 14 bulbs. So, first question answer. How many bulbs? 14. 14 bulbs. 14 bulbs. Next, second questions. On which day were the maximum number of bulbs sold? Look at the table. Monday 12, look. On which one? Sunday. Sunday how many? 18 bulbs. So what is the answer? Which one? Sunday. Next, question number C. Look at the question. On which days the same number of bulbs were sold? Same number of bulbs. Which day same number of bulbs were sold? Yes, Wednesday how many bulbs? 8 bulbs. Right? Then what day? Saturday. Saturday also 8 bulbs. Right? So Wednesday and Saturday. And Saturday. Next. What is the next? On which day the minimum number of bulbs were sold? Minimum number of bulbs which day is sold? Which day? Thursday, right? Thursday. Okay, now if one big curtain hold 9 bulbs, how many curtain bulbs need? So first you have to find out the total number of bulbs. Add 8 plus 8, 16, 16 plus 4, how many? 20, 20, 20, 30, 36. How much remainder? 3 remainder. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Altogether how many bulbs? 86 bulbs. Okay, 86 bulbs were, altogether 86 bulbs were there. So now the bulbs were coming in the big boxes, right? One box can hold how many bulbs? Only 9 bulbs. That means how many boxes are needed to bring the 86 bulbs? So number of, what is the question? Number of equal 86 by one box having how many bulbs? 9 bulbs. So 9. 9 9s are 9 9s are 81. So now, yes, then remaining some more bulbs. What number? 5 more is there, right? 9.9. When you divide, how much will come? 9 and some bulbs, right? So we will get which one? 9 plus 5 bulbs. 9 boxes. So how many? 9, 5, 5 for the by 5 bulbs also we need a one box, right? So how many? 9 plus 1, how many? 10. 10 curtains needed. Do you understand? So this is about the question number 6. Okay. Now copy down all of you quickly. Okay. Now let us go to the next exercise, that is 9.2. 9.2. Total number of animals in 5 villages are as follows. Village A. Village B. Village A, B, C, D, E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 5 villages, which one? Animals given already. Village A has how many animals? 90. Village B, 120. Village C, 90. Village D, 40. Village E, how much? 60. Okay. Now what are they asking? Prepare a pictograph of these animals. See here. Now we are going to do this one in the graph, but with the help of a picture. Okay, picture which you do, you like it, right? But it can be of any figures. Okay, it's up to your understanding, up to your convenience. You can do it. Okay. Now we are going to put this, John. But village A, village B has 120 animals, right? So 120 animals, it is very difficult to put, isn't it? 120 times you have to draw the figure, that is bit difficult. So for that we are going to make it some arrangement. What arrangement? You know, the figure is, this is a figure. Okay, this is a figure. So one figure is equal to how many animals? 10 animals. One figure is equal to how many animals? 10 animals. Okay. So now village A has how many animals? How many animals? 90 animals. So 90. That is, one figure is 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, one figure has how many animals? 10 animals. So, 9 figure 90 animals. Now, village B has how many animals? 120. Now, can you tell me 120 means how many figures you have to draw? Yes, 12 figures, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Now, village C has how many? Yes, how many? 90. So, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Village D, how many? 40 animals. So, 40 means how many? Okay, how many? 10, 20, 30 and 40. Next, which one? Village E. Village E has how many? 60 animals. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. So, this is a one way of doing the data into the which one? Graph. So, this one you need not to do in your graph notebook, you can do it in your classwork notebook itself. Okay, understood? Okay, next 623. Okay, this data you are going to put again into the which one? Pictograph. Okay, same way, since for better understanding I am doing, otherwise I can give homework. We can do this way also, you can do. Okay. Now, what is important is the gap. One, two, three, 4, 5. So, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, here what you write? 1996, then 1998, then 2000, 2002, 2004. Okay. Now, here what figure to use? Number of students, right? Let us draw the figure like a students. Yes. Right? Now, again here you see 400, 500, 600 students are there. So, it is very difficult to draw 600 figure like that, right? So, in order to simplify, so one figure is equal to how many? 100 students. One figure is equal to how many students? 100 students. So, 1996, how many students are there? 100 students are there, right? So, now, so, sorry, 400 students are there. So, 400, one figure, 100, another figure, 200, another figure, 300, another figure, 400 finish. Understood now? So, 1996, 400 students were there. Now, 1998, how many? 535. So, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. But again 35 students are left, right? So, 500 is 100, another 35 is not completed, right? So, that can be which one? Only half, incomplete figure. Okay. Next is 2000. 2000 how many? 472. 1, 2, 3, 4, 72. 500 is not completed. So only half or incomplete figure. Understand? Incomplete figure. Okay, because it is not reaching 100, right? Next 600. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600. Next which one? 623. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, 23. It is incomplete, right? So incomplete figure. Okay, incomplete figure. So this is about which one? Picture. You can draw some other figure also, which if you find it interesting figure, some other figure, you can use that figure also. Okay. So 9.2, there are 2 questions we already done. Next class, when you come to the next class, you have to bring a craft notebook, because with the craft note now, still now you no need craft notebook, but next class very important, craft notebook is needed. So better you bring the craft notebook. Without craft notebook is very difficult to do. So to this class too, we have done 2 questions. One is about the number of animals in the villages, right? And that one how to put in the pictograph. Second one is which one? Number of students in the different years. Okay, I think some more questions are there below that. Yes, yes, yes. Now, how many symbols represent total number of students in the year 2002? 2002, how many symbols are there? How many symbols? 2002. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So answer is which one? 6 symbols, right? Answer is 6 symbols. Next, 6 symbols. B. Question number B. How many symbols represent total number of students in now 1998? 1998. Yes, 1998. How many symbols? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 complete and 1 incomplete. 5 and 1 incomplete. Okay, 5 figure is completed, 1 is which one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 1 is incomplete. So these are the answers we have to do. Okay, okay children, we will meet in the next class with the craft notebook. Please come with your craft notebook. Okay, see you.